As per your request, this is what we have created. So we would like to have a questionnaire, right? And then one of the user stories that we have is that as a researcher, you would like to create and manage the questionnaire. So it doesn't just only applies for the truffle questionnaire. So in the future, for example, if you want to integrate the hazelnut questionnaire, you can integrate it to the new software, and then and you can create furthers in the new part. I don't know if you would like, but this is you can click dashboard, or you can go to survey to see the topics that you research on. And here we have that as a farmer or as a just user, I want to open and fill in the questionnaires with various types of question so that I can submit my farm data for benchmarking. So here we have some wireframe for the question type. So based on the hazelnut questionnaire that you have provided for us. So we had a look at all the pages, which is like around 18 pages, and we have kind of like just summarized the different types of questions that we have, or components that we have seen during the questionnaire. So like the next button, this like single bar, multiple selections, and this big columns and rows of different items.
Yeah, can I pause a bit here? Maybe just want to double check with Ming Chao. Ming Chao, is there any questions or like field in Qualtrics that they want, in fact, the design teams want to have, but the Qualtrics can't do? So, or you think that they can implement exactly the same as Qualtrics questionnaire?
I think they can implement like exactly the same as Qualtrics.
Okay. So exactly the same is fine.
Yes.
Okay.
So that is fine. So so one of the functions that we're still having in question is that that do you want the farmers to save their progress in the middle of their questionnaire?
Yep.
Yes. Okay. Confirmed. Basics functions for the questionnaire, for example, like prevent from skipping required questions to secure, the data completeness. And things like if there is, if they input something different, we also have something to prevent it. Like here, please enter a number instead of a letter. When they finally submitted completed the questionnaire, they have this submissions. I know that you said you emailed us that you just confirmed that to have the authentications, like email authentications and stuff like that. This is what I have in mind. So this is for the farmers page. So they will see this questionnaire with I know it's different stuff, but for example, this is their completed questionnaires, and this is like, for example, they to-do questionnaires, something like that.
Yeah, can submit the same questionnaire multiple times. Ideally, it's at least once a year, but I'm not sure if they can submit more. But yeah, is that correct, Ming Chao?
Yeah, they can submit once a year. Like.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, great. So for that part, so is it okay that, so at the moment, sorry. So this will be like, here we have this confirmation submission that you won't be able to edit your response after submitting. So that's correct, right?
Can you allow them to edit?
Yes. Oh, you want them to edit? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So in the farmer view, instead of the box, right, you can have the rows, the table instead. And then you can have, okay, this is a response to this question in 2026, and then you have edit button.
I mean, that's possible. I mean, like now we have this current survey and the history survey. So we can have two sections. For example, anything in 2025, once it passed, I don't know, December 31, they can't edit anymore. Do you want it that way?
I want them to be editable, like the
regardless history or like current survey.
I think all of them.
All of them? Okay.
Yeah. This is a how can we say? It's a rare case, right? But I think it would be good to have. Otherwise, we as an admin all has to fix and hard code in the database, right? So it would be good to have the report to the researcher, like how many response already submit